It's Cacio Pepe time. I have the pasta, the spaghetti, already almost done. The water's boiled, I salted it, and now I'm going to take out some pasta water. Let the pasta water cool off a little bit. And what I have here is a half a stick of butter melting. And what I'm going to add to this is some freshly ground pepper. If you don't like pepper, you won't like this dish. My sons won't go near it. It's funny, isn't it? Anyway, here I have it. That's enough pepper. And what I'm going to do is turn off the water on here because the pasta's pretty much done. I'm going to take it out and put it in the butter and pepper.
Oh.
A lot of pepper.
Okay.
I'm going to turn this off. You don't really need to put it on anymore. Let's see how much more spaghetti's in there. This is about 3/4 of a pound. And I had a half a stick of butter, and I ground a freshly grated pepper from the pepper mill. I'm going to add a little pasta water, mix it around. That pepper really got to me. Okay, now you're going to have a cup and a half. Actually, you should do like a cup and a half is for a pound of pasta. So I'm going to put in like a cup. But you know me, I'll probably throw in a little more. But anyway, here we go. Make sure there's no lumps in the cheese. Smells good. Smells mostly of cheese. A little bit more pasta water. Keep mixing it. So keep mixing it until all the cheese has blended in. I'm going to put a little bit more. There you go. That's it. That's it. I mean, can you get any more simple or any faster than that? I'm going to take some. Oh, wow. Whoa. Put a little bit more pepper on it. And a little bit more cheese. And there you have it. Cacio Pepe. Until next time, they should all be this short, right? Until next time, bon appetit.